Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? You're good. You're fine. That's good. I welcome you in my class. That is English for grade 1. We are learning Unit 9. Its title is Making Q is Important. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. So, my dear students, today we are going to learn to express basic emotions. Before this, in your primer, you have learned to mention things I like, right? So, beta, whenever you mention whatever you like, you become happy. I like this, right? So, happiness is one of the emotion. You have learned about it. So, we are going to learn further to demonstrate common conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in group to express basic emotions. And what are basic emotions? Happiness, sadness, anger, etc. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in the Quran, Surah AlBaqarah, verse 83, and speak good to people. Yes, my dear students, beta, it's a command of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying, speak good to people. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is not saying, when you are happy, then speak good, but when you are not happy, you can, no. You have to speak good all the time. So this is one of the basic thing, beta. Being human being, yes, sometimes we are happy, sometimes we are less happy, but all the time we should keep in mind we are supposed to speak good. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants us to control our emotions and express good things. Understand? So we should not make faces, we should be happy all the time. And if there is something which makes us upset or angry, we should control it and we should express it nicely. This is what we are going to learn today, right? So, first you tell me, what is happiness? What do you understand? What is happiness? And how do you express joy while playing? When you are playing and you're very happy, how do you express it? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students. So happiness is an emotion, right? It is an emotion. And how do we express it? We express it through our body language. Wow, we are happy. We express it from our face. We keep smiling, laughing. And we also express it by words. Wow, hurrah, yes. You see, so it is an emotion. And when we are happy, we say it, and one can find by looking at us, right? When we are playing, we're happy. Sadness is also an emotion, okay? So the way when you're happy, your face is smiling. When you're sad, you have a long face. It comes from your face. So don't be upset, okay? Anger is also an emotion. Like when we become angry, when there is something and we are not happy with that. So beta, we should not be angry. A Muslim does not become angry, okay? So whenever you wanna, like, there is something which is making you upset, right away say A'udhu Billah, right? Because anger is from shaitan, and Allah does not like us when we are angry. We should control it, okay? And what is the thing which is making you angry? You should say it nicely. For example, you want to say something to mama, go to mama and say, Mama, this is something I did not like. Okay, say it nicely, respectfully. Likewise, you can talk to your friends. Don't do this, I don't like it. Simply, but don't say in bad way. Okay, you can talk to your friends, your siblings, your mama, to your teacher in a nice way. Like, this is something I could not understand. Teacher, kindly explain it again. Don't be angry. Don't be upset for that. Don't be sad for that. Okay, right. So this is how beta we learn every day. So we are not same all the time. Sometimes we are happy. Sometimes we are very happy. Sometimes there is something for which we are not happy. So we should express it nicely, right? So let's see what does your book say about it. All of you open your book on page number 79. You see, there is a group of children, two brothers and a sister. They are sitting, and one is saying, look at the colorful blocks. Let's play together. He's happy. Let's play together. But sister says, I'm ill. I cannot play. She's little, sad. I'm ill. Okay, it's okay. So this is how we express. You don't say, no, you cannot play. I'm not feeling. No, nicely say, I cannot play because I am ill. I'm not feeling good. And the other say, give this block to me. No, this is also not good, right? So this is what we are learning. We should express our emotions nicely. Have you learned it? Do you understand? Okay, let's practice it through an activity. What we are going to do? Teacher will divide class in 3 groups, right? And will assign one emotion to one group. Means one group will express happiness, other will express sadness, and third will show anger. Each student in the group will say a sentence to express that emotion, okay? And better be careful. You have to express the emotion nicely. So pause the video, enjoy the activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. Well done. You learned it nicely. Now it's time for your homework. You will express your emotions about today's achievement. What did you achieve today? Express it, record it, and share it with your teacher. Record it, how did you express it, and then send that video to your teacher. Here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students to practice how to express emotions. So what we have learned today? We learned common conventions and dynamics of oral interaction in group to express basic emotions, that is happiness, sadness, and anger. So we achieved our SLO to demonstrate common conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in group to express basic emotions, happiness, sadness, anger, etc. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.